After admiring St. Mary's Lake and to complete our trip, we decided to hike to see the glaciers. For after all, that was the main draw to our visit, to see ice and snow in September. Join us as we explore St. Mary's Glacier. From St. Mary's Lake to the top of the glaciers is more than 400 feet of elevation gain. We will rate this trail as moderately strenuous due to the rocky path to the top and elevation. According to a fellow hiker, and to our surprise, there are actually 2 snow fields. Kaya pa? Kaya. St. Mary's Glacier is a very popular destination. It is open year-round, weather and road conditions permitting. Now, on a nice beautiful day like this, it actually took us, at our slow pace, about 30 minutes to get to the top of the glaciers. Ice in September. If you want the ice and waterfall experience, this is at the first snow field. Now, a few more minutes about that, and a bit more of hiking, is the second snow field. Kaya pa? After a few minutes, we finally reached the second snow field. Mission accomplished. Ano masasabi mo? Pangalawang glacier top mo na to.
Mas maginaw.
Mas maginaw.
Oo, sinasabi ng lolo.
May tubig na lumalabas sa ilalim, ano?
Lamig-lamig.
Lamig-lamig.
Nakakatog na ako yan. Lamig na kami.
Bababa na ba tayo? Okay na? Sige, bababa na tayo. Before we go back down, and after a few more minutes of reflection, we would like to show you the sights and sounds of St. Mary's Glacier.